Question number 13. Choosing flow type. Chief Sales Officer in Future Image Technologies Limited wanted the system to automatically close all open tasks associated with an opportunity when an opportunity is marked as closed lost. Which flow type should an administrator use? So we have four options: scheduled flow, screen flow, auto launch flow, and record triggered flow. So the intent of this question is to test your understanding about different types of flows that you can create as an administrator in the system. So this particular use case, is very common scenario because typically, right, when a business deal is created, like an opportunity record is created, there are multiple steps involved, isn't it? So we typically create a lot of uh, tasks and assign those tasks right to the account or opportunity owner, so that they can perform each task and then navigate that opportunity right to the closure, right? For some reason, right, if that opportunity or the business deal is lost, then whatever the tasks that are in open status, right, not very relevant, right? So we have to close those tasks. So typically, instead of closing the tasks manually, right, we wanted the system to automatically close those tasks. So that is the criteria, that is the ask here, right? So let's first take a look at the flow types, and then we'll decide which one is the right answer. So back in the system, when you click on this new flow button, so let's wait for the page to open. So we got five different types of flows, right? Screen flow, record trigger flow, schedule, platform, event, and auto launch flow. So talking about screen flow, so this is used when you would like to create a simple page or a form that takes user input, and based on the user input, based on the user input and the action, you will write additional automation steps, and that will run based on the user input. So this again, right, will wait for the user to provide an input on the screen. So screen flow cannot be used here because back in the requirement or this use case, right, we wanted things to automatically happen when the user chooses closed, lost, or updates the record, right? So I cannot use screen flow, which means option B is incorrect. So talking about the first one, schedule flow, right? So again, this one, so when you have a repeated task, when you have a task that needs to happen automatically once a day or once a week, right, or periodically, then you can go with the schedule triggered flow. But in this case, we want this to happen immediately, isn't it? The tasks, right? All the tasks, open tasks should be closed when a particular opportunity is updated, record is updated. So I cannot use schedule flow as well. So auto launch flow. So auto launch flow is again, right, it's a subflow. It's like a subflow which can be triggered from another flow or another process, like a process builder. When you write your Apex code, you can make a call to your call to an auto launch flow. So this is more like a subflow, right, and not the main flow. So option C is also incorrect. We cannot use it. So option D, record trigger flow. So this is the appropriate, flow type that we can use here, because this record trigger flow will run, when a particular record is created or updated or deleted. In this case, let's say there is an opportunity where, the user is going to go and then update the opportunity status as closed, lost, and then clicks on save button. Immediately, I want a setup steps, whereas, I want to, find all the open tasks related to that opportunity and then update those opportunities. So I can configure those tasks, right, if I create record triggered flow. So so this is the one that gets automatically right triggered when a record is updated, created, or deleted. So in this case, this would be the appropriate flow type to use. Hence, option D is the right answer.